Hey everyone! Today's video is all about tips for thrifting holiday decor. I'll be sharing what I look for when I'm thrifting, especially those pieces for the holidays. I'll also be sharing some styling tips along the way as well, so let's go ahead and get started. First on the list are cozy textiles. I love to thrift, throw blankets and pillows when I can. I do find that pillows are a bit harder to come by, but I often find quality throw blankets at the thrift store. You all might remember these two blankets that I thrifted back in the fall. These are both in great neutral colors that are perfect for the fall and winter. They bring in that cozy texture, and the neutral color palette allows you to pair them with whatever holiday accent colors you are incorporating this year. One item that I always love to thrift are baskets. Often you can find some really unique and beautiful baskets at a very affordable price. I love to use baskets in my home year round, but they are absolutely perfect for the holidays as well. Many of the items I am sharing today can be used in your home all year long, which is my most important tip. Look for items that you can use across many different seasons, not just the holidays. Baskets are a great example of this. They bring in so much warmth and texture to your spaces. This picnic basket was a recent find. I paid just $5 for this one. I also thrifted this little hanging basket, which was originally from Target, I believe, and I picked this one up for just $3. I like to add baskets tucked into little corners for a cozy feeling. These two I stacked together in the corner beside the dresser in my entryway. I added the thrifted blanket, some pillows that I already had on hand, and then I am going to be adding in some greenery to give the space a more festive feeling. I am going to finish everything off by adding a simple bow with some ribbon. The possibilities for baskets are really endless, and they are great staples to have in your holiday decor for the season. I'm honestly keeping things pretty simple for the holidays this year. I'm bringing in lots of greenery and using lots of ribbon to bring that festive feeling into my home. I picked up this little hanging basket for just 99 cents. Hanging baskets look so charming on peg rails if you have any, or any little hooks that you might have around your home. Vintage pottery and vessels are something that I am always hunting for. Facebook Marketplace is another really great place to thrift items. I found a whole bunch of these antique crocks that someone was selling, and I got an amazing deal on these. I think I paid $10 for each of the small ones. And again, these are pieces that you can use every day in your home. Just adding simple touches like ribbon and greenery can make them feel festive for the holidays. I also picked up a large 5-gallon crock on Marketplace that I will show you here in just a moment. I paid just $30 for this one, which is an amazing deal because I often see them for hundreds of dollars. And at the thrift store, I every now and again see pretty vessels like this distressed bowl. This would be so beautiful for the holidays with some greenery and ornaments. Books are another item I am always picking up at the thrift store, and these can be the perfect accent pieces for the holidays. Remember to check under the book jackets because oftentimes the cover of the book can be a really beautiful color. You can thrift books that tie in with your holiday color scheme, or you can look for neutral books and add accent ribbon to stacks of books for a fun holiday touch. I have collected several thrifted books, but these two were my absolute favorite finds. They were copies of some of Dickens' work. When I looked up these editions, it seemed they were possibly from the 1930s, which is just so amazing, and I only paid $3.49 a book for these little beauties. One did have some water damage on it, but I didn't mind because that just adds to the character and the story. We're going to be using these in this coffee table styling in just a moment. For a festive coffee table styling, I am starting with the thrifted basket tray. I am adding in one of the thrifted pots with some of the Norfolk-inspired greenery that I shared in my last video from Amazon. To give that arrangement some interest, I added in some juniper picks. Next, I am adding some ribbon to the stack of thrifted books, and I just put the Christmas Stories book on the very top. Amber glass brings such a beautiful warmth to your home, and I think it is lovely around Christmas time. I use these amber glass vases in my fall decor, and I am bringing them back into this coffee table styling for a little bit of height. As a side note, I didn't want to commit to cutting my ribbon off the spool quite yet, as I am still deciding exactly what I want to do for my holiday decorating, so that is why some of the ribbon pieces are so long here. To finish the look, I am adding this bowl that I had along with some ornaments that I picked up last year. Picture easels are one of my favorite styling pieces. I often find them for only $2 or $3 at the thrift store. This landscape painting was also thrifted. If you want to use existing decor that you already have, adding ribbon to your artwork is the perfect way to add a holiday touch without breaking in any new decor pieces. Brass candlesticks are beautiful for the holidays. Thrifting a bunch of them and then pairing them together on a mantle or kitchen or dining table would be so pretty. Thrifted frames are another versatile piece that are perfect for the holidays, but also everyday decor as well. You could paint or refinish them to your liking. Y'all might remember this frame from my fall decorating. I will definitely be adding a holiday print to this amazing frame. I shared in my last video that I wanted to reuse or to DIY most of my holiday decor for this year. The thrift store is the perfect place to find ornaments to paint at a very affordable price. You can find these bags of ornaments for just a couple of dollars that you can transform and make your own. Finally, copper pieces are so lovely for the holidays. These pieces can add such warmth to your kitchen, and they are the perfect accents to holiday greenery. I plan to add some holiday ribbon to one or two of these pieces. I hope that you all enjoyed today's video and that you got some inspiration for your home. In next week's video, I will be sharing all of my holiday DIY projects, and then it will be time to deck the halls.